Hello everyone, Dai Chan Hao. So we're here from this open suites here from this Video World Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So it means 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment in this Blitz chess. And this one also means divisions from this one. And also have a grandmaster from this Armenia is Emin Ohania. So he was born on September 20, 2006 at the age of 18. So it means in in 2022, it means Emin was won this Festival Primavera in Católica tournament. So it means after tiebreaker from this one within members of this one in festival tournaments in this chess. So in 2023, he won of this qualifier from this bracket in 2023 Bullets Chess Championship. So it means in chess.com from Bullets Chess within, for example, with 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes and 1 seconds. So it means increment. It's called Bullets Chess. And also have a grandmaster from this Philippines, from this Pinoy, Oliver Barbosa. So, so, so he was born on September 29, 1986 at the age of 38. So, so Barbosa was trained from this coach when this these kids from this fire school with the members of this Wesley So from this USA and John Paul Gomez in the Philippines. So it means they learn training there, train in coaches in how to train in chess games. And also Barbosa was played from 40th Chess Olympian and also that he wins from this second best elos from this board 2 from this one, and he was a winning from this Asian Chess Championship, and he already scored from this one, and he was winning from second silver medals in Manila edition in 2013. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in Open Swiss Men's Division. So white plays Emin is e4, c6 is called Caro-Kann, Oliver Barbosa, d4, d5, and also e5. So it's called Caro-Kann defense advanced variation, and also bishop f5. So it means bishop f5, and also old main line there is e6 and also c3 and also knight d7 and also knight f3. So it means knight f3 is called Caro-Kann. Caro-Kann advanced variation. So back there is bishop f5, g4 with the threatening of this bishop. Bishop e4 is not found on this booklet in this bishop e4. So it means novelty by Oliver. And also old main line there is old is what we call is bishop d7, and also is bishop g6. So it means so bishop d7 and bishop g6 are this main line. So it means main line there from this one. So main line. So back there is bishop e4, our novelty of this blacks here, and also f3 threatening bishop, and also bishop g6, e6. Oh my god, pushes from this one. So it means e6 with a coming captured this one. So it means with a captured from e takes f7. So it means e takes f7. And also queen d6. So it means queen d6 are there. And for example, why don't we capture these free pawns? So it means it's okay from f takes e6. So it means pre-captured from this one. So it means back there is queen d6, pawn takes f7 check, and also bishop takes f7, knight c3, knight d7, and also f4. Oh my god, so it means f4. So f4 is a defense by bishop, and also g4 for this defense by queen. So it means It means queen here from defense to defending here. And also h5, so it means h5 with a threatening pawns from this one. And also g5, good move by Emin from this Armenia. And also e6, knight f3. Oh, h4, so it means pushes, so it means h4. And also bishop e3, knight e7, and also bishop d3, bishop g6. Oh, so it means bishop g6 are threatening of this bishop. So bishop g6 are putting of this bad move of this computer engine. So it means stockfish from this one. So the best moves there is simple castle queenside. So it means simple castle. So that's moves. So back there is bishop g6, queen e2, bishop takes d3, queen takes, and also knight f5 with the threatening of this bishop. So it means threatening. So threatening bishop for this one. And also castle queenside, castling queenside, and also rook hd1, rook e8, and also king b1, bishop e7, another bad move by Oliver. So it means stockfish from this one. Another bad move, this one. So the best moves there is only knight takes here. So it means knight takes and also queen takes here. So it means it's okay from this one when this 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 best moves from this one. So it means, oh my god, still higher evaluation bar from this one. So best moves, so the back there is bishop e7, bishop c1 backwards here, and also back d8 bishop. So it means bishop d8 is with coming here from moves from this bishop a5. So it means upcoming here. So bishop d8 is there, and also knight e2, queen f8 backwards here, and also c4, pawn takes, queen takes, and also knight d6. Knight d6. So it means knight d6 are threatening here from this queen. This one threatening here queens here. Also knight d6. And also queen c2 backwards. And also queen f5, queen to queen here. And also knight c3. So it means knight c3. For example, in accept, why don't we capture this queen to queens here from this one? And also captured. And also knight takes here. So it means knight takes f5 there from this one. And for this one, it means knight takes f5. So back there is knight c3, bishop a5. Oh my god. So it means bishop f5 with a threatening here pin from this rook. So it means threatening from this one. So bishop a5 will moves from Oliver Barbosa. So it means with this moves from strongest here. Knight e5. Oh my god, bad move there. So it means bad move of this computer from Emmy. Bad move. So the best moves there is rook e2. So it means rook e2. Not knight e5. So it means rook e2 is good move. So back there is knight e5. Knight takes, rook takes, and also queen takes, queen to queen. Good move by Emin. Another good move. And also king takes, bishop c7. Oh my god, bishop c7 with a pin. This one, rook. So pin here. And also rook e2, knight f5, knight e4. So my god. So it means lower evaluation bar. So it means knight e4 putting blunderacious by Emin Onhanyan. So it means blunderacious. So the best moves there is this one. What do you call? So the best moves there is rook here. Rook e4. So it means rook e4 are best moves on this one. So it means rook e4, not knight e4. So So it means avoid knight e4. So it means blunderatious. Um, um, so back there is knight e4. So it means knight e4. So in this time clock, 6 seconds from this Amin Ohanian from Armenia, and 1 minute here from 1 minute and 40 seconds by Oliver Barbosa in the Philippines. So it means very fastest move from these Philippines. Go Philippines! Oh my god. B6. Oh my god. B6. Oh my god. Miss move by Barbosa. So the best moves here is only a6. So it means a6 are best moves. So back there is b6, knight f2, rook e7, knight g4, another bad move again by Emin. So it means knight g4 bad move. So what do you call it, bad move? So the best moves there again is rook e4 only are missed moves there from this Emin on Hanyan. Um, So again is 4 seconds from aiming here, and 11. I mean 1 minute and 11 seconds by Oliver Barbosa in the Philippines. So it means it's running out of time by Armenia from this one. So back there is knight g4, rook d8. So it means rook d8 with the threatening here, rook takes, and also knight here. So it means threatening here from this one. And also last shot here. So after rook d8 and last move from this one in this white pieces is, oh, rook 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 e rook d I mean rook e d2. So it means running out of time by Emin Ohanians from Grandmasters Armenia. So it means black down. So it means it's very lost from Armenia, from Grandmaster, from this Armenia from Ohanian. So it means 18 years old by Emin. So it means teenager. So rook e d2. So it means bad move from this one. So the best moves is also rook rook e4 again. So it means rook e4 again. So it means rook e4 are missed moves by Emin Ohanians from Armenia. So it means there is, after rook e d2. So it means black down is running out of time from Armenia's Grandmaster Amy. So it means lose from white. So congratulations from winning from these Philippines from Grandmaster Oliver Barbosa. Yeah, congratulations from these Philippines here. Uh, and also next game from this one, so last game from this one between woman Swiss, between international master from India is Divya Deshmukh, and versus from this grandmaster China is Zhu Zhu Zhener. So it means Zhu Zhener. So it means Zhu Zhener from this China. I hope that this part of this game. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day and keep safe, and Mark Loagi, I call Mark 17. Have a good day. Have a good day. Keep safe, and Zaijan.